Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of my weight loss vlogs. I know it's been a hot little minute since I've uploaded a vlog. If you guys saw my keto get ready with me update, you guys know why I haven't really been uploading. And I know in that video I promised you guys that I was gonna continue to upload weight loss vlogs, but I'm just like, I wasn't showing any progress, so I feel like why upload them, you know? So I've been doing pretty good on my diet since Monday. Today is actually Friday, March 22nd. Since Monday I've been doing really good. I've been cooking at home a lot more and trying new things. We got an air fryer at the house, so that was really good. I made Brussels sprouts last night. It was pretty awesome. So I've been doing pretty good this whole week, so I figured I would kick off this vlog today, Friday, March 22nd, and then we'll end it next Friday and see what our progress is. I'm not gonna weigh myself. I am not gonna weigh myself until next Friday, meaning I haven't weighed myself in almost 2 weeks. And my last weigh-in was 154, and it was the Friday before my birthday. I weighed myself on March 7th and I was 154. So I am not weighing myself until next Friday, which would be like March 30th, I think, or something like that. So yeah, we're not weighing ourselves. I'm actually in the parking lot of Starbucks because I ordered myself a Starbucks drink. Aria is actually in therapy right now, but today she only had an hour, so it makes no sense for me to go home and come back. Like, I won't have time. Like, I'll be home for 5 minutes. So I figured I would get some Starbucks. I actually got a sausage McMuffin from McDonald's, but what I do is I take off the bun and I just eat the sausage and the egg, and it's fire. It's so good. So honestly, like, it's not the best choice for a diet, but it is super keto friendly. And if you're on the go and you don't have time to prepare a meal or whatnot, that's a great option for breakfast if you're trying to do something pretty fast. So that's what I'm gonna eat right now, and then I'm gonna get my Starbucks and probably sit here until I have to go pick up Aria. Hi guys, it is Saturday and I am super horrible because I completely forgot that I started vlogging and I didn't vlog anything today, so it's like 6 o'clock at night already. But we just came back from the Frost Museum. It was super fun. Well, Aria had a great time. See, she's knocked out in the back. And yeah, all I've had to eat was my breakfast today with my coffee. So right now we're about to go to this spot called Doce Provisions. It's, I don't know, we saw it on the Food Network and it looked really good. Can we find it? Is it in there? Sorry, we got a little lost. We kind of can't find the place. But either way, I only had my breakfast so far, and that was probably like at 12 o'clock, almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So I fasted for pretty long. And yeah, so now we're gonna go have something to eat. Hopefully there's something keto friendly for us to eat, and I will show you guys what we get. So I did go to Target and I ended up buying these black pants from the brand Wild Fable, and they are a size 10. I don't know if you guys can see right there. Size 10. So the last pants I bought from Wild Fable were a 12, just because, I don't know, their brand is pretty inconsistent with sorry, I was just like showing down there. The brand is pretty inconsistent with their sizing. I have a pair of shorts that are a size 10, and then I have a pair of other black pants, but they're more like washed out and ripped, and they're a size 12 because the 10 didn't fit me. But these are a size 10, and the Bermudas that I've been wearing today are a size 12, but they are a little bit loose on me. So I probably could have fit into a size 10, but pretty tight. But these fit really good, and they are a size 10, so I'm pretty excited. I bought these for my Boston trip. Excuse that big box. That's literally huge box of Fashion Nova stuff between me and Caesar. We bought for Boston. We bought like coats and shirts and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna be wearing these. I think I'm gonna be wearing these pants with a cute little crop top and like a pink jacket because we're gonna go visit Harvard and I wanted to do like a Legally Blonde inspired vibe. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna be doing with these pants. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the pants that I bought and that they're a size 10. I think tonight we're going to Flanagan's for dinner, so I will show you guys what we eat over there. Good morning, beautiful people. It is Monday and the sun is in my freaking face. Sorry about the lighting, but I am on my way to work right now. I'm actually almost there. There's no school this week in Miami, so there is like no traffic, and I completely forgot to vlog. I usually vlog in the morning while I'm in traffic, but yeah, I'm almost at work. So yesterday we didn't end up going to Flanagan's. We ended up going to this place called Pyology. It's like where you make like custom pizzas for yourself. Like you pick the crust and then like you put whatever toppings on it. They have a cauliflower crust, so that is what I chose. I chose a cauliflower crust. It's so freaking delicious there. Like I love it so much. And I put Alfredo sauce, I put chicken, bacon, onions, sun-dried tomatoes, ricotta cheese. Like, ugh, so freaking delicious. I'm pretty sure it's high in carbs, not as high as a regular pizza, but I think it has, I'm sure they put fillers in it and stuff like that. But either way, that was the healthier option. So that is what I had. I had a cauliflower pizza, and then we went to Publix and I bought some stuff for the week. So I bought the Jimmy Dean's breakfast sandwiches that I usually eat. I found these Slim Fast keto fat bombs that they look like Reese's Pieces. They're made with erythritol and MCT oil, so they're really good. So don't get fooled by the Slim Fast, because I know everybody thinks like, oh, Slim Fast sucks. They probably do for like their shakes and stuff, but they have protein bars and they have those fat bombs that are literally tailored to keto. Like they have great macros. They're high in fat, high in protein, and super low sugar, and they're made with erythritol. They're a little expensive. They're about $12 for the box, but they're made with good ingredients. They're not made with the fake sugar like the Atkins desserts, like the stuff that come in the Atkins boxes and stuff. Those are really not really bad, but they have like, I think it's like maltodextrin or that sugar that basically it's like if you're consuming regular sugar, what makes it sugar free, but it's really not sugar free. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know enough about it, but I did see a couple of videos like from Keto Connect and stuff like that, and that's how I know that that sugar is not that good for you. But the ones from SlimFast are made with erythritol, and that's the good sugar, the expensive sugar. So I brought that. I did bring like for my lunch just to have a wrap of ham and cheese with the low carb tortillas that I buy, and I did bring a sausage to have as like a snack. So I don't have a ton of food today, but I'm hoping that'll hold me over until dinner time. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do for dinner, but probably tell my dad to make ribs. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna head into work because I'm about 5 minutes late, and I will talk to you guys later. So I am about to have some ribs, and this is some sugar-free barbecue sauce from the brand Mr. Hughes, I believe it's called. I got it at Publix. And then I'm gonna have some bacon barbecue cheese crisps as like my side, because we didn't make any vegetables or anything as sides. So I'm gonna have some of those. These taste pretty good. They taste like barbecue chips. However, this is $5 for a small bag. Look at the size of my hands. Yeah. But they are pretty good. And I have some Perrier water in here. And yeah, that's gonna be my dinner for tonight. We also found this new ice cream at Publix. It's from the brand Enlighten, which Publix already has that brand, but they came out with new flavors, and this one's marshmallow peanut butter, and it only has 3 net carbs for the serving size. So for half a cup, you got 3 net carbs. Usually, it's about 6 net carbs for half a cup. Usually on the other flavors of this, I think the lowest one I saw was 4, which is the cold brew, or I think they had like 5 net carbs. I'm not sure, but I'm super excited to try it. This is what this looks like. This brand is honestly my favorite of the diet ice creams because it's so creamy. Bought these, which is from the same brand, but they're actually popsicles, and I feel like these are so much better to half because it gives you the exact serving size. So for one of these popsicles, it's about 6 net carbs. It's so much easier to just have like one popsicle and you know exactly what you're getting versus having the pint of ice cream that you have to kind of like make sure you only do half a cup so you do not go over carbs with this stuff. But either way, they have more flavors in the pints than they do in the popsicles. But I really want to get the cold brew popsicles because I know I love the cold brew ice cream, and that way I have the popsicles. Like, it's just easier. And then usually this ice cream, like when it gets hard, like when you have it in the freezer for a while, like it's really hard. And even though you let it thaw out a bit, it's still pretty hard. I don't know, it's just the way it's formulated. But yeah, so I prefer the popsicles honestly over the pints, but you know, there's more flavors in the pints. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit of this for dessert today, and that's about it. Good morning. I'm giving you Anne Hathaway Princess Diary vibes with my hair today and my glasses. So I am on my way to work. It is Thursday morning, March 28th. And I actually made my coffee at home today. I made it early. I haven't drank it, but I kept it in one of these thermostat things that keeps your drinks cold or whatever. So yeah, I made my coffee at home today. I'm gonna be eating one of those Jimmy Dean's breakfast sandwiches because I don't want hard-boiled eggs again today. So last night I completely forgot to vlog my dinner, but it really wasn't anything. I just had the same shredded chicken just by itself. I added a little bit of mozzarella cheese to it, and that's it. That's literally, oh, I can't take this. I'm sorry guys, you're gonna have to have a shadow on my face. So yeah, it's pretty much all I ate for dinner last night. At work at like about 3:30, I did have a protein bar, so that's why I wasn't that hungry, and that's why I did it. I wanted to have a really light dinner last night. So yeah, that's why I had the protein bar so late in the day, and then I had a really small dinner. So it was good. I felt good. I wasn't like super hungry at night or anything. So I don't have any plans this weekend, but I do want to again stick to my diet. Like, I want to stick to it pretty good because we're leaving to Boston next week, and in Boston I'm not gonna be super strict. I want to have a clam chowder, you know, I want to have certain things. So yeah, that's why I want to be pretty strict all up until we leave next Wednesday. So next Thursday. So I technically have a whole week to lose. I technically want to lose 4 pounds. So I want to lose another 2 pounds next week. So that's why I have to go hard this weekend. Like, no cheating at all whatsoever. So yeah, that's the plan. I just got to work, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Happy weigh-in day. So weighed in today at a whopping 154, but it was a 154.0. I know I technically don't really count the points, you know, but on Sunday I was 154.6, so now I'm a 154 flat, so that means I'm a little bit closer to 153. And I looked back at when I was weighing 153, which was in November, like mid-November. So when I weighed that 153, I was 153.8. So yes, I was 153, but I was way closer to 154 than 153. So technically, I'm like 0.2 away from what my lowest weight was. So I am hoping that with this weekend and putting in some work, eating better, incorporating more veggies in my diet, that I will perhaps lose at least 2 pounds. I know I wanted this 2 pounds this week, but the weight gods were not in my favor. They did not give me 2 pounds. They gave me 0.6 pounds. But whatever, at least I didn't gain. Progress is progress, whether it's very small ounces, whatever it is, I still lost something. And it just gives me more motivation to keep going and not mess up this weekend, not cheat this weekend, not drink alcohol this weekend. I'm gonna do my best not to drink alcohol. I haven't drank since my birthday. And that's not that hard for me. Like, I am not the type that needs to drink alcohol all the time or nothing like that. That's just not like my personality. And I haven't really got out much. Like last weekend, we really didn't go out at all. So with that being said, I'm hoping that this week, well, what's left of it, because we're leaving Thursday. So we're leaving Thursday. I most likely will weigh in Thursday morning just to see. But a heads up, I won't be doing a weight loss vlog for next week just because this week is going to be a little short because I am leaving to Boston on Thursday and I am going to be doing a weekend shenanigans. So I am going to be vlogging my Boston experience, but it's not going to be a weight loss experience. It's going to be more of a fun vacation vlog. So that's the plan. So I'm really not going to be vlogging this week, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to do. I'm going to keep going because I'm really hoping to get down to 152 by Thursday, really hoping, and I'm gonna do my best to go walking and do some kind of activity to spark things up, eat more veggies, I don't know, do something. I feel like I'm approaching a year already of me being on this diet. So April makes a year that I started this journey, and April's like on Monday. So I've been on this journey for about a year. Obviously, I haven't been the most consistent. I've been pretty consistent, but I do have my times where I will take a weekend off, or I will, like for my birthday, I basically took a whole week off. Like I just eated almost whatever I wanted for a week. So yeah, I always had my times throughout this entire year, but I always stayed pretty consistent as far as, like, I want to say 85 to 90% of the time I was on keto. Very small amount was I not on keto. So I'm very proud of myself for that. This is the first time I've ever stuck to a diet, a lifestyle change. This is the first time I've ever stuck to anything this long. Like, it's been a year, guys. And I'm super happy. I'm down literally 40 pounds. Technically, I started this journey at 192, but that was like the day that I weighed myself. Like I want to say that I started at like 193, 194, but I don't have an exact weight because I never weighed myself exactly when I started. I remember weighing myself the week before I started, or like a couple days before I started, and I had been sick and I had been throwing up. So I don't feel like that was my accurate weight, 192. I feel like I was probably around the 193, 194 area. So technically I've lost a total of 40 pounds. So I'm super proud of that. I'm super happy with what I've accomplished, but it's not enough for me. I feel like I need to lose a little bit more just to be happy with myself, because I still have a pretty big gut area, because that is my problem area. I gain fat in my stomach. I have very skinny arms, skinny legs, but my stomach is where I collect all of my fat. So I feel like I do need to lose at least 15 more pounds and then start like a workout journey. But I'm not excited for that. You guys know that I hate working out. Like, that's just, I just hate it. Like, the most I will do is walk and squats and abs and stuff like that, like the easy stuff. So my goal is to keep going and hopefully show more progress to you guys. But thank you so much for being on this journey with me, and thank you for watching my videos and sticking by me. So hopefully there'll be way more weight loss vlogs to come. So thank you guys so much for watching. So don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.